Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to attempt to make apple pie a la mode without the pie. We all remember when we were little, even adults, I still have it. Take a piece of toast, some butter, thin layer of sugar, thin layer of cinnamon toast. It's fairly simple, fairly easy. This is the same principle. We're just going to make apple pie a la mode without the pie. Basically, the apples already sliced, peeled, cored, everything else. I don't have to do all that. It's just easier, simple, easy to do. Cinnamon, basically it tastes just like your toast. I like a lot of it all mixed together. Give it a shake. Mix it around. A lot of good cinnamon. Kind of looking for a consistency, a good mix. You don't want it too white, you don't want it too brown. Let's be real. You wanted a good mix. Now the apples, the bowl I have is not big enough for the whole bucket here and that, so I'm going to do half first off. That looks pretty good right there. Now what I do is I just put the lid on. Just got to coat the apples with the mixture. It's real simple. Shake it. Time you're done, you see the apples are all coated. Simple and easy. That's just the way it is. Alright. Now, let's grab the tray. And now we just put our apples out on the tray. And that's kind of the boring part. But trust me, when you're all done with this is really good. It looks good right now just to eat. You can eat them raw. There's nothing wrong with that. Nice little quick snack. I'm going to put them in the dehydrator. Show you all that here. You'll see why when we're all done. Okay, because I'm kind of thinking a half a tub's going to probably fill a whole tray, maybe a little bit more. We'll find out. Make sure you get them spaced. You want air in between. They dry out much faster that way. That way then they don't stick together. And everything comes out really nice. I think we may make this. Right down, perfect. Okay, now, excuse me. There's our tray of apples ready to go into the dehydrator. Let me go ahead and get the rest all done, and then we'll come back and we'll start getting them ready to dehydrate. Alrighty, we got all the trays, not all the trays. Some of them are empty. A little space, so I pulled some shelves out. All the trays though have, we got 4 trays, sliced apples, coated with sugar and cinnamon, Like I said, real simple, real easy. Now we just need to dehydrate them. You'll see also that some of these are not as coated as good as the others. Don't worry. Plenty of the other ones have good mixture on them. Time we're done, like I said, you'll see how this all turns out. I got them all here and that. I know some of them still have a little bit of the apple peel still left on it. Not worried about that. That's easy enough. It's not a problem. It's all still going to be very delicious. So now, all we're going to do now is we're going to get these dehydrating. For mine, I like to put it at about 135 and let her go. Check it in about 12 hours, see how they're doing. When we get ready to do that, we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm looking for. You don't want them soft, you don't want them bendy, you want them kind of crunchy for the whole process, and you'll see by the time this is all done how this all works. And like I said, trust me, you kids, everybody's going to love this. I've had no complaints over the years doing this, so let's go ahead and get this started to dehydrate. Okay, apples are done. Pull them off of here and make them fours nice crispy. They break, nice and dry. Some of your bigger ones may still be a little pliable. Remember, when you're dehydrating, while they're warm, they may still be a little soft. Just let them cool for a little bit. They'll dry. It's just the heat keeping them all nice and warm. But basically, you want them to where they crack, crunch. It's the best. You will have moisture. That's just going to be natural from the sugar, the apples themselves. Basically, that's all it is. So now we're just going to throw these into the Ninja here, and we're going to powder them down. I'll show you how that comes out. Yes, you'll have some little pieces floating around. Throw them all in. It's all still good. The mat can be washed. I'm okay with that. But you can hear how they're all crunchy. These are dry. These are ready to roll. So let me go ahead and get this done. Bottom on, get them in there. And now I'll run them through the Ninja. Hold on. Okay. Got it powdered down. Not all of it. Got some just to show you. Neat little trick. I do have a funnel. It's not a very big one. I need a wider mouth. So what I came up with, this is a little trick. Just put it on a piece of paper. Put it on a piece of paper. This is all crunchy. Like I said, you're going to have a little bit of moisture. That's just the way it is. But I am going to make sure this is all powdered down and good. There was some big chunks in here, which that's just normal too. Going to go through and break it up. Now there's still a big chunk. That will go back through the Ninja. And for the most part, this is pretty good. Feeling really good. Nice powdery, and you'll feel the moisture still. Don't panic. It's just a natural, what it is. If you put it in the jar, it will pack down. It's not a problem there, but basically when you want to use it, you can use a spoon, a fork, works real good to break it up and chew it up. But if you have yourself a nice little bowl of vanilla ice cream, sprinkle some of this on the top, and you'd have an apple pie a la mode, without the pie. This isn't the easiest, I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah, we're still getting there. Okay. Yeah, we just shoosh it. Alright. And a little pile here. Do the same thing. And just let it go right down inside the cup. Simple and easy. Whatever's left you can just put right back on and put into there. Alright. Now after you get that all inside the jar, which this will fill up, it's got to do the rest of them, just get yourself a good lid. I picked these up, I think it was at Bi-Mart, I'm not real sure, Fred Meyer's, whoever, whatever. They're the plastic lids. I don't mind using the metal lids. It's just more convenient with this because this stuff doesn't last. We put it on an ice cream, oatmeal, however you want to go with it. But basically just make sure the lid's nice and tight and it should be fine. Now, like I said, you can see it's kind of clumped here a bit. That's just from the moisture content of the sugar and the apples. It's not a big thing. Give it a shake and there you go. Now it's all powdered again. And even at that, after sitting for a while, like I said, it will harden. That's just the nature of the beast. So just get a fork, crumble it up, and then a spoon. You can, scoop it out and sprinkle it over your ice cream and such. So, all right, guys, I hope that is a little educational. I'd give it a try. Because I tell you what, a quick bowl of ice cream, sprinkle this on, you would almost say that's your... Alright guys, sorry about that. Battery went dead on the other camera. Like I was saying, you can see right now it's been sitting for a few minutes. Break it back up, ready to roll. Sprinkle this on ice cream, sprinkle it on your oatmeal, anything you'd like to have cinnamon and apple on. It's a really easy, fun project, not a problem. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe, like the video. Sarah likes to see all the people on YouTube. She's watching TV right now, barking at dogs. Anyway, alright guys, y'all have a good day and we'll catch up with you on the next one. Bye now. Oh, and we made a mess. That was not planned.